In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach lash extensions to get them into the proper direction to achieve a seamless looking lash line that follows the natural curvatures of the eyes. The first thing you always want to do is isolate the natural lash, and as soon as you do that, you want to analyze the direction of the natural lash to determine what you need to do in order to achieve a proper lash extension direction. So when you attach the extension, you want to make sure that the tip is pointing in the direction or angle that you want it to sit. Once it's attached, you do have some time to quickly move or adjust the lash, and I do this by using my tweezers and just gently pushing the extension to whichever direction I need it to lean more towards. Usually I find that the outer corner lashes are a little trickier just because they tend to grow more sideways and lean against the face more, like you see with this lash line here. So using tape to stretch the eyelid inwards helps to spread the lash line, and it makes it a lot easier for you to isolate the natural lashes. So although her lashes are very angled, it actually works in my favor because it follows the direction I need the extensions to go. As you continue to attach more extensions to the natural lashes, it makes it easier for you to determine how to direct the extensions so that they line up nicely next to each other. Focus on making sure that the tips of the extensions are pointing in the direction that you need it to be, and it will help you to achieve that clean lash line. If you need to direct the extension more to the right, you want to attach the extension on the right side of the natural lash. Right away, you can see that the extension will naturally lean towards the right side. Notice how I always quickly move the extension right after attaching it because you only have 1 to 2 seconds to do this before the adhesive fully cures. So as soon as you see that the extension is not sitting the way that you want it to, you need to work quickly to adjust it. When you get the chance, you always want to make sure to brush through your lash set to ensure that the extensions are attached securely and to see if any extensions are out of place or need to be fixed. If you find that you're having a hard time adjusting the extensions to the proper direction, try using a slower drying glue to give you more time after attaching the extension to move it around while the glue is still curing. Switch to a faster drying glue when you're more comfortable with attachment and don't feel the need to adjust the extensions as often. So this obviously isn't a completed lash set, but right away you can see the lash line forming, and now the extensions are attached in a single file to achieve that clean lash line. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lash tips and tricks.